The first thing we must do is install the required dependencies. Log into your Ubuntu Server instance and open a terminal window, if you have a desktop environment installed. At the bash prompt, run the following command to take care of the dependencies. When that completes, you're ready to install Symfony. At the bash prompt, issue the following command. The installation should be completed quickly and without issue. Once it finishes, define the Symfony path on your system with this command. At this point, Symfony is installed and ready to go. The first thing you must do is make sure Symfony knows who you are. We can do this with the help of a couple of git commands, which are where email address is your email address and full name is your full name. Next, let's create a new directory to house our project. Let's name our project test and create the directory with the command. Change into that folder and start the project with the command. With the project created, you can then begin developing your project within the test directory. Once you've done some basic development, change into the newly created project directory. You can then start the server with the command. Open a web browser on a machine that's connected to the same LAN and point it to HTTP, server 8000, where server is the IP address of the hosting server. You should be greeted with either the Symfony welcome page or whatever page you created within the project directory.